Morning. It's nice to be back for me. I'm enjoying all these talks and I hope you are also. And I was just smiling to myself when I see so much of talk on the AI. I hope, 23 years, 25 years ago, you recall, or even 26 years ago, am I right? If I may, I'll be right, I think. Those who were not born before that, those who were born before that, sorry, those who were born before that will understand about that Y2K. I hope all of you recall the Y2K. The amount of apprehension about the implementation of Y2K, the amount of hullabaloo, the amount of inferences, discussions, talks, the podcasts, everything on Y2K. You know what was Y2K? It was the year 2000, and in which all the programs which were programmed up till 1999 had to change. That means, people who were at the helm of affairs of the, software development never applied their mind that one day, that after 99 it is going to be 2000, and in 2000, if the date changes, then if you retain the same dates, for example, if you're doing a banking transaction online, you will be looking at 1999. After that, 2000 happens. And nobody thought about it up till the year 99. So until the year 99, nobody thought about it. And all of a sudden, everybody started jumping around like jumping, jacks. Why? Because that is a reasoning we never applied our mind. So the same way, this AI, all of a sudden, AI. What is AI? Artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? We call ourselves human intelligence, and that which is machine is known as artificial intelligence, period. Software, the best software, Microsoft, was developed in 1995. And the best part was, let me tell you, that 1995, when Microsoft developed its software, it was developed by Indians with inputs from Bill Gates. The whole study, the whole structure, everything, the main body of the team were Indians. And if I recall, Business World or Business India put up a heading, Win These. So you can understand that Windows was developed and mainly by Indians, and it was called the Win These. If I recall correctly, I think that was a heading in the newspapers and also in the magazines. So why I'm trying to bring out all these historical small information tidbits is that nobody needs to be worried about AI, because as technology grows, you require human intelligence to formulate the technologies that will run the computers and all the equipment. Without human intelligence, without the use of 0 and 1, which was what the normal procedure was, without human intelligence, how can you create something? It cannot fall from the sky. So you require human intelligence improving day by day to achieve what you have to do to get a better quality software. That better quality software is known as AI, because you have used your intelligence to put it in a equipment form, so that the equipment can read what you have written and just prove it out. Now that is why it was called originally GIGO, garbage in, garbage out. What does it mean? That you have put in something. If it is stupid, nobody is going to accept it. Again, you prepare a program. If the program is not fully structural and well balanced, it will be thrown out. Even the computer cannot read it properly. So they coined new words. GIGO, garbage in, garbage out. Y2K. You said, why not by year 2000? Y2K. All these were jargons. In the same way, let us not be scared about AI. It's the talk of the town. AI is sheer computer software which is going to be far more advanced. Period. Nothing else. For example, before we discovered the stethoscope, the doctor used to, use his hands to test everybody and ascertain what was the condition of the person. Later on, slowly, when people applied their mind, that is what I said, in human intelligence, when they applied their mind, they said, why not we, find out an equipment that will give you that instead of feeling your hands on the body of a person, if I use that equipment, I can devise a better methodology of ascertaining the person's health. And that is why it was called the stethoscope. And we discovered the stethoscope. Now, after discovery of the stethoscope, I think doctors have benefited far more, and companies manufacture stethoscope are still surviving and making billions of dollars. And doctors are using it everywhere. Has it killed the profession? No. Not every Tom, Dick and Harry can read we use a stethoscope and identify what is your problem. There is some system by which you are able to understand what the stethoscope can do, and based on that, a doctor takes a decision. Now, the same way, previously, I'm talking in the 60s and 70s or even before that, medicines were never available in tablets. So it was a new experience for people to develop tablets. It used to be a mixture. Different ingredients, different materials that went into the tablet was available in liquid form. All these were mixed, put into bottles and capped and given to the patient for drinking. Slowly, people found a technology by which these ingredients can be coagulated and they could make it into a small size, now we call it a tablet. That was the tablets were made available. And for example, Novalgin was in a liquid form. It was now condensed, it was coagulated, new technologies were applied, human intelligence was applied. And what did we derive? We got the tablet. So, each one is a single development, and the development has not happened from the sky. The development has been happening because of the human intelligence. So I gave you two examples in medical science, how human intelligence has been utilized for the purpose of converting liquids into solids so that it will be easier for people to swallow and people to carry, etc. Again, the same tablets, originally, they were all available only in bottles. And when they were available only in bottles, sometimes no plastic bottles, they were all glass bottles. So, people used to carry them very carefully. And what happened? Sometimes the bottles may break and the tablets may fall out. So a group of people sat around, mulled around, thought about it, and again human intelligence played the part. And what was that? The human intelligence played a part and said, hey, why do you want to put it into glass bottles? Let us all put it into a blister pack. What is a blister pack? What we are using now in tablets. We carry a small packet in which it is made out of foil, tin foil, and you put it inside that, and you can carry it safely wherever you go. So again, human intelligence. So I will continue this topic. What I'm trying to tell you is that let us not be scared about AI. AI is another software tool which is going to give us opportunities, and I would say tremendous opportunities, which we should tap and we should look forward to it rather than being scared about it, like primitive people. Thank you.